Hello everybody, and welcome to this quick little tutorial on how to sign up for the classes for a GICS online craft show. Now you need to do this like a day or two beforehand, just so that you get in there and you can get it, because there are a couple of little things you've got to do to make it work. We've noticed a few of our customers have a few issues, and it's really simple, but there's a couple of little tricks. So up the top, you just place gics.craftalive.com.au/classroom. That's going to get you there. And that brings us to this page here. Tells you when the next GICS event is. Don't do it more than a couple of days before the GICS event. You only get 30 days when you subscribe the way I'm going to show you how to do it. So you can get your timetable down here. We'll come back and do that in a little minute. So you click subscribe, and then you can either pay $20 a month and access everything that's in the library, or you can pay $200 a year and access everything in the library for a year, or it's actually 20 days. I stand corrected. Sorry about that. It's actually 20 days that you get for free. So click on this. So this is where you come to, and it tells you about your free membership, when the next show is. So you've only got 20 days, so you need to make sure you're not too far ahead. Come down here, put in a username, pick a username, a password, confirm your password, put in your email address, confirm your email address to make sure that you've got it right. So by doing that, you're giving them permission to send you emails, okay? But you're also signing up to this. So once you've hit submit and confirm, if you've already been into the GICS classroom before, just log in up here in the top right, okay? You can ignore this if you've already done this before. So what we're going to do is, I'm just going to bring up, here we go. So this is the email you'll get. Now mine took a couple of minutes, could have been a Big Pond thing, could have been anything. So you'll get an email and it's got your username at the top. So that's the username I used. Thank you for your membership, If you've got any problems, it's the email address. This is the email address and the username I've picked, and this is when it expires. Okay, so let's click on this here to take us to the classroom. And then, so when you do that, make sure you really truly go up the top, press enter, make sure you really refresh it. You've really got to refresh it and make sure it's a fresh screen, because it took me 20 minutes to realize that I needed it to be completely and utterly refreshed, like get completely out of Google Chrome and then come back in again, because otherwise what was happening was it just wasn't working. It just wasn't letting me in. So then you come to the dashboard, and then there's lots of things like a shopping list, a shopping haul with all the exhibitors. They're not open yet. There's no GICS open right at this minute. You come down here, and when you click on classroom, it'll actually bring you into the classroom. Like you'll have a choice to go into the two classrooms. So let's click on the class schedule for the next one so you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see that they've got classroom 1 and classroom 2. So with your free membership, you can only watch classes as they happen live. And these are New South Wales times. Okay, so it's Sydney time. So remember that. Everything that we promote is on Queensland time, because we're in Queensland, but this is Sydney times, okay? So just make sure you check on that. So then you'll come down on, oh, here's a class. That's actually me. It says Naomi, John and I, but it's actually me. So you come down, that's Friday and Saturday. So they've got a page for each day, a line, you know, a block for each of the two classrooms and the different times. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful, and we'll see you at some of our classes at a GICS online craft show. Bye.